So I'm gonna meet Wisdom again. In the future. Maybe in Nigeria or somewhere else in America, in Canada, anywhere. We can still meet again. Mama, give me a hug. Give me a hug. Two of them looking like twins and then.
I'm not letting go.
Welcome back to our channel. How are you guys doing out there? Have you subscribed to our channel? And please let us know how you want us to improve our channel by writing down your comments on our comment section. In our video today, Mr. and our kids went to say goodbye to his longtime friend Modestus and his lovely family as they are finally moving to Canada.
Breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed. All the squad here.
What are you doing?
Daddy, where are you going?
We have to go and see my friend. My friend is you know Amarachi and Chizara.
Yeah.
They are going to Canada tomorrow. Modestus and his Canadian wife have been a long time friends. We actually were supposed to see them in Guangzhou, but unfortunately they are finally moving to Canada. So I promise I'm going to meet them at Incheon.
So they're going to Canada tomorrow. Then are we going to meet today?
Yes, I want us to go and see them because they came in from Guangzhou. You know, Guangzhou is very far. We've not gone there for a long time. They are finally going to Canada. So we need to go and see them today since they arrived in Incheon. So we are going to Incheon. They are in the hotel. We are going to see them because they are moving tomorrow and it's getting late. Your mom is not yet back. She's still at work, so we don't have to wait for your mom. Yeah, we don't have to wait. It's getting late, so we go there and come back before it's going to be very late. So we are going to see them now and say bye-bye to them. So they are waiting for us. I told them that we are coming. So they are waiting for us. Get your jacket and let's go.
Things I've been driving this train, years in this lane, there's no stop.
This is Modestus. so this Modestus, two beautiful kids, and this is India and Nigerian. So we came to see Modestus and the beautiful wife today and their beautiful kids. So, but luckily these are Igbo kids. Yeah.
So I'm very happy that Wisdom traveled all the way from Swan to Incheon to a Grand Hyatt hotel to visit my family and for our Igbo kids to meet and to introduce themselves, why they can express themselves using some Igbo language because they have their root back from home because we are Igbos by all nature.
Biafrans.
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 Hashtag Biafrans. Yeah. So as you can see then, 4 beautiful girls. They look the way they look like, everything. They're Igbos. So here we have
Amarachi at the same age.
yeah. So same age, different in gap with months. Onyinye is the oldest. So and Chizara is the second in line. So we're very happy to be together today.
Each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no, I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never cap in space. I won't stop till I hear him say.
Who's the winner? Oh, that's the winner.
I'm the winner.
Be careful, there's the water might.
No.
Ice in my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed. All the squad here to play, and I've got something to say, yeah. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never cap in space. I won't stop till I hear him say. 6 a.m. and I'm up again. I got tired eyes, need a
believe you guys
couple
are
blends.
kingless.
That's right. In the
Amarachi,
AM, that's my
the
only
kids all
friend.
looking
No
like
light,
you.
just the sun coming up on the horizon. I lose track of time. Yeah, I move fast and climb a new class to find. Yeah,
They are both same age.
I choose 3 months older.
Yeah, only just 3 months older. So they are both same age. Onye, are you happy to see your friends today?
I won't stop till I hear him say. Ice in my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and
We are right here now with my friends, and Onyinye and Uche just met their friends. So they have been playing around, they're so happy. They have a kind of look-alike friends, and Uche has an age mate. They were happy to meet themselves today. So let's see what they feel about themselves, or what they think, or what they have to say to us. Onyinye, you speak, introduce yourself also. Kedafagi.
Afambo Esther Onyechukumba.
Kedafagi.
Afambo Chizara Mena Onyema.
Kedafagi.
Afambo Angelstory.
Kedafagi.
Afambo Amarachi and Chizara.
We're here today in the Grand Hyatt Hotel. I'm very happy to meet Wisdom, a friend and a brother to me. We have been a friend for over 10 years today. So, being with him in Korea would have been a nice thing and a good journey. So, he came here today with his kid to say goodbye to my family. And we really appreciate it a lot because he drove all the way from Suwon to Incheon to meet us. So I will really miss Wisdom, even though I will try to keep in touch with him. So I hope to meet him in the future. So I'm gonna meet Wisdom again in the future. Yeah, maybe in Nigeria or somewhere else in America, in Canada, anywhere. We can still meet again.
Onyinye and Uche, so what are you going to say to Chizara and Amarachi?
Did you guys have fun?
Did they have fun today?
What did you guys do? What did you guys do?
We played chess and we played tag.
Oh, Oh, nice.
and play in the playground.
Yeah.
That's awesome. And we played in the seesaw.
Yeah, cool.
So, do you expect to see yourself next time? Are you expecting to see yourself next time?
Yes, yes.
Why? How?
How going to Canada and say hello and
So see you in Canada.
see you in Canada.
Hopefully, they will be seeing you guys in Canada, okay? So, Oye and Uche will be visiting you guys in Canada, okay?
Yeah.
And we are going to see you down there soon.
Okay, bye.
Okay, thank you. Oh, you want a drink? Get some more, sorry.
Coming up on the horizon, I lose track of time. Yeah, I move fast and climb a new class divine. Yeah, true passion shines, and I'm through passing time. I choose stacking dimes. You snooze half the time while I move passing by. I work hard each and every day. I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no, I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say, I've been driving this train, years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed. All the squad here to play and I've got something to say, yeah. I work hard each and every day. I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no, I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never cap in space. I won't stop till I hear him say,
Two of them looking like twins and then.
I'm not letting go.
Okay, let's go.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more videos.